I'll break her heart, I'm sure, yet I'll hurt mine much more. And I've got to explain,
It's all over now.
I'm going in front door, no knocking. All gas, no brakes, no stopping. Going, yeah, I'm gone. All I need is my wife and my iPhone. 2 ounces of Sprite in my styrofoam. Cause that's what I like in my styrofoam. Yeah, I'm feeling good, matter of fact, feeling great. Bank account straight, got birthday cakes, okay. Got to be July the 18th. And I've been on my own since I was 18. Mama told me I'm a grown ass man, you gotta go. So I packed my bags just on the cheap and get the dough.
I'll break her heart, I'm sure, but I'll hurt mine much more. And I've got to explain, it's all over now.
They say I changed, I'm just evolving. Always had problems, didn't know how to solve them. Then I awoke like I just had an epiphany, realizing life is just one big symphony. Everybody plays a part and everybody plays a fool. Everybody got a job and everybody don't have a tool. Everybody wanna learn but they don't wanna go to school. Eye for an eye, living by the golden rule.